Good morning, Hong Kong. So it's my first full day here. I actually came a few days earlier than the rest of my family. So I have a few days to myself. I'm just gonna go get breakfast with my friend Lauren. We've known each other since our days in Brisbane, and I'm so excited.
It's so good.
Say hi, Lauren. Walking around Soho. We're just running errands. I think we're gonna go pick up toothpaste. Hello.
Do you want?
Yes.
What should we cook?
No. We're going to the Winterfest
I think so.
in West Kowloon. I'm just following Chantal.
I'm following the crowd.
We're following the music.
And the music. Music. Oh, what a beautiful van.
You match it. Too crowded. The line is like 30 minutes long.
But where are the shops?
I don't know.
I want
Maybe up? No, that's like
Yeah.
We're getting coffee. Well, I got tea. And it's $9. What are these prices? Her oat latte was $8 Canadian. 10?
It was $8 Hong Kong to that.
Drama. We just witnessed a car crash behind us. Poor taxi.
Oh yes.
'Just got my nails done. I'm gonna go eat with my Kuma, and then I'll probably head to Teng to join Chantal for her Christmas party. 我哋而家去食雲吞麵。
你爹哋最中意食。
咁細個碗嘅，
我食細碗嘛。
哇，好正啊！ On my way to Chantel's village. I'm not too sure where to go. Oh my god.
Yes, we're making pasta.
Hi, babe.
Take a picture with your class.
Hello, I'm Googling.
It's too warm. It's so warm in Hong Kong.
Cut it properly.
I brought my film camera. Gorgeous. Bit more down. Yeah. This is center.
Alright, everyone, take your bite.
He already ate. Crazy already ate.
3, 2, 1.
I don't think so. There's no salt.
We're going to see an MTR exhibit. Anna? No. Today we're at Wan Chai. We went to go see the decommissioned MTR train. They turned it into like a little exhibition. It's very popular with kids and families. But honestly, it's pretty cute. You can like open and close the door manually. And it's open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, and it literally opened maybe 2 or 3 days ago, so it's still pretty new. Hey, Binda.
左班打咯，
去食咩啊？我哋去食咩啊？
先買同埋結婚咯。
哎呀，
房嗰間咯，就係。
食嘅先睇落去好味喎，冇魚露好味啫。
We're at my grandma's place to eat lunch, but she's nowhere to be found. shirt from a shop in this little mall. And then the shop owner gave me a little snack. She asked me if I was younger than 20 years old. I don't think I look that young.
有水啊？有水啊？啊，你影緊嘅。
Heading to Soho House to meet my friend Abby. The train's pretty empty, surprisingly. It's so dark in here.
It's just, everything's so sweet.
That's a really big piece. You want to eat? How is it? Where's the parents? We're back at Temple Street. We're with my mommy and to fly this time. Where's the girl? I'm heading back to my cousin's now. The rest of my family is staying at a hotel. I'm back to my cousin's place and now we're having second dinner. It's my last morning staying at my cousin's and I'm drinking some long talk because I'm breaking out a lot. You look more happy. Yeah, there you go.
要個魚片牛肉。
She hasn't had her coffee yet. She's being grumpy. The exchange rates. We're going to China soon. And we don't have any RMBs. Off to dinner now. I'm not sure where we're eating though. I think it's somewhere close to our hotel, but we're eating with relatives. Vitamin D is essential.
你淨喺上喺呢度啊，去羅湖啊，過喺羅湖關你都麻煩啦，嗬，幾鬼多人你區。拿菜啊！
Wow.
It's from Vietnam.
要辣椒啊？冇辣椒啊？冇辣椒。O 唔 OK？ 你攞辣椒，我俾辣椒你，我加落去。OK 係咪？辣椒。
媽明地道，明地 Macau. Ooh, so cool. Portugal 係嘛？係咯。好靚咯，嗰條嘅。
需要一個咋，一齊㗎係嘛？
係啊。
好，一個係嘛？好。
我試啊！我食過啦。點解啊 ？Egg tart number 2. Mommy's in your. Is it as good as the other one? The other one was not as like flaky. Give it to Daddy. We are in Macau for the day. We're visiting the ruins of Sao Paulo. And it is so busy and crowded. Look, we're in Venice. 이거는 이 가빈도.
Paris.
Heading back to Hong Kong now. We're going to China today. Hello, Mama. We're in China.
Chào quấy.